How to receive money on PayPal account. Hello there, today we'll teach you how to receive or request money using your PayPal account. So first you need to log in to your PayPal account. When you log in on your home page, there you can see request and send. So you just need to click on request and it will route you to a page where you can input the name or the email address of the person that you want to request or receive the money from. So when you type in the email, it will show you that request from the email address that you inputted, and then once you click on it, it routes you to a page where you can request the money. It will provide you or allows you to input how much money they or you will be requesting, and then you can click on next, and then this will pop up where you need to review how if you have the right amount and your correct email address before requesting the payment or the money. So when you click on request now, it will prompt you that it has been successfully requested. Okay, so for example here, you requested the money from the email address, and then you just need to click on done, and then there you can see on your recent activity that you have successfully sent the request or money request to the email address you provided. Another option here how to receive money on PayPal is on the payments below the screen beside the home icon. When you click on it, you have the options send, bills, and request. So you need to click on request, that's on the upper portion of the screen. And when you scroll down, there is more ways to get paid where you can share your link. So you have another option here where you can copy the link and send it to the person that you want to receive the money from. Or when you click on show the link, it provides you a lot of messaging platforms where you can send the link to. For example, Messenger, through Facebook, Snapchat, Telegram, and even through your Instagram account. So when you click it directly, the system or the application will send directly the link to the email address that you provided. And that's the end of the video. That's how you will be sending your or receiving a payment on your PayPal account. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.